Hola, grace and peace, Grace family. Arise, shine, for thy light is come, and the glory of the Lord is risen upon thee. That's from Isaiah 60 and verse number 1. Welcome to day 14 of the 52-day challenge in the Nehemiah project. When Nehemiah returned to Jerusalem, he was concerned about rebuilding the walls, but he was equally also concerned about restoring the people. These were people who had experienced tremendous loss. They had been taken from their homeland, separated from their families, stripped of dignity, suffered financial devastation, and endured the loss of identity, culture, and even their language. Many were left feeling confused, forsaken, and hopeless. And sometimes life can leave us feeling the same way. We can experience loss, disappointment, confusion, and even a sense of betrayal because we simply don't understand what happened or why it happened. Our world experienced this during the pandemic. It disrupted families, churches, relationships, routines, and our sense of normalcy was taken. And even now, during our own season of transition, temporary changes in locations, schedules, and familiar routines can sometimes feel unsettling. But here's the good news. God does have a plan to restore his people. Nehemiah teaches us that God doesn't just replace or rebuild places, he rebuilds people. And you and I are part of his rebuilding plan. Thank God. God can use us, listen to this, to reconnect the disconnected. So today, let's be prayerful about those who have become disconnected because of the circumstances of life. Be that bridge. Yeah, be that bridge. This is day 14. Let's make this day count. God bless you, and may grace be unto you. Have an awesome day.